John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos. I'm teaching you how to draw a cartoon in 3 easy steps. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this fun character, this zombie guy up there. That's right. So, if you have your creative pencils and paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I share with you some tips and tricks and techniques that you should be applying to your drawing skills, and this time I'm going to be saying practice. If you can practice at least a half hour to an hour a day, that would be great. And always try to make sure you save your artwork, because that is an encouragement to see how you are progressing as an artist. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.